Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this Haus Laboratories RIP Lip Liner, Demi Matte Lip Liner that I got in the shade En Pointe. So I actually got this in my March 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I was very excited about that box. So this lip liner has a retail value of $16. It says it's a creamy, high pigmented lip liner that balances precision with one stroke, demi-matte payoff to slay your lip look every time. It's supposed to be comfortable, long wearing, it's cruelty-free and vegan. And I was looking this up on the Haus Laboratories website just now to learn a little bit more about it. And I was really surprised to see that there are so many different shades of this available. And then when it came down to it, the shade that is En Pointe looked nothing like a shade that I would have ever chosen on my own. But that just kind of makes me even more excited because I love trying out of my comfort zone types of shades and hopefully ending up really liking how it looks on me. So online, this kind of looked like a tan brown shade, and I just personally am drawn to pinks and reds. So at least this is different than what I have in my collection. And so it's the type of pencil that you sharpen. So I figure first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch and let's see how this color really looks. I mean, not bad at all. I like this color. Compared to my natural lip color, it's definitely a lot more brown, but hopefully it'll be flattering for me. This swatch does seem very creamy, very pigmented. So I am gonna start out by lining my lips and slightly overlining my top lip. And then I'm also going to go ahead and fill in my lips with this because they claim that you can use this for both purposes. Then we'll really see how that formula is when I completely fill in my lips. And so I'll show you the difference when I overline one half of my lip. So basically, you can see that difference in my lips. I just go over the natural line by like one little like pencil stroke. So I'm not coloring in my lips, I'm just going over instead of going right on top of my outer lip line. And then as I get to the corner, I just bring it right onto my lip so that it's a more natural looking shape. But I have to say, this is very easy to work with, creamy, precise, smooth edges. Seeing it on me right now, it doesn't look too brown or drastic, and I could definitely see myself just using this even with a clear, light pink lip gloss, something like that, because it emphasizes my lips, but it doesn't look too unnatural with my lip color, which is great. That's what I prefer in a lip liner, unless it's a red lip liner to go with a red lipstick. I'd rather it be like a neutral, nude, kind of natural shade so then it can go under any other lip color. But now let's see how this looks just completely filled in. Wow, that was actually a lot faster and easier to fill in my lips than I was expecting. So now what do we think of this shade? Can I pull it off? I would say that I am very pleasantly surprised by how this looks. I feel like it just kind of goes. Like you wouldn't necessarily even be drawn to notice my lip color. And that's definitely not what I was expecting. I thought this was going to be a lot more intense, bold, but no, it's a very beautiful, subtle, neutral nude lip. And I have dry, chapped lips, and at first I thought that this was going to be too dry and uncomfortable and too textured on my chapped lips, but it is such a creamy formula that it feels so comfortable. It looks smooth, it's even color, it's not clinging to the dry patches on my lips, so it really looks so good. It's such a beautiful formula. I love how pigmented it is, and I like this color. It is growing on me. Now, I'm curious about the transfer because I love how long-lasting lip liners tend to be, so let's see. Yeah, very minimal transfer there. It's like slightly, it's not completely transfer proof, but that is very light transfer, and it's still completely intact on my lips. So definitely long wearing, comfortable, beautiful. Oh, I am so happy with this. And just so grateful that Ipsy sent me a lip liner color that I don't already have in my collection, that actually looks good on me, but that I wouldn't have picked up on my own at all. So I think that's one of the really fun things about these beauty subscription services. So of course I would love to hear your thoughts on the Haus Labs lip liner in the comments down below if you've tried it out, and let me know if you've tried it out in any other colors and what your thoughts are on those colors. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.